Hi guys, welcome to my second unboxing video. So today we have on feature an X-Men toy from ToyBiz. So basically we have these X-Men characters transforming or mutating into different kind of monsters. So we have Cyclops here, who mutates into like Cyclaw. Yeah, it says here, forming a plot to take over the world. Mr. Sinister uses his scientific knowledge, blah blah blah. Okay, let's get on to the video. Here we go. Okay, so we have a basic Cyclops figure here. It's basically his look from the X-Men animated series. Here. No articulation on the legs and minimal articulation on the arms. Okay. So how do we make him mutate into Cyclaw? First, monster eye fits on overhead. Let's see. Okay, so the fit's not so good. There you go. And step 2, monster claws snap on overarms. Yep. It's right here. Oh crap. It's not an arm. Step 3, monster feet clip on over feet. Okay. This is left leg or something. Yep. Go. Okay. It's not a perfect fit, so it's kind of hard to get this on top of his head. Oh, come on. Crap. Okay, that's basically it. Okay, that's Cyclaw for you. Yeah, pretty cool figure. Probably nice. It's a nice collection. Nice addition to my collection of X-Men figures. So that's about it. Bye.